McCoy able to cut and has another Eagles first down. Still on his feet, but they give to McCoy. Big hole and the move. McCoy through the snow. Touchdown! A 40-yard jump for McCoy. And what a run it was. 43 on a first down. It's McCoy sprinting through the line. McCoy! LeSean McCoy! And we're all tied. Last 4 minutes have been bedlam in Philadelphia in the snow. 57-yard run. So is McCoy. And McCoy with another beautiful move. LeSean McCoy can't be stopped. McCoy, what a move. Coming near side, diving near the first down.
Eagles' all-time rushing record was 205 yards, and Shady has eclipsed